So today I'm going to be showing you from my last video how to make the Minecraft axe. So here's the pieces you will need to make the handle. So you'll need 8 of the biggest size rods and 3 of these circle pieces. So first you're going to add it together like this, and then you see that one piece, you're going to skip that part, then you're going to go to this one, and you're going to do that for all of them. So like that. And you're going to push them all up, and then you're going to connect them the same way on the others. Like this. And then you're going to stretch it out. Like this. And then you're going to make that again. But instead of 2 pieces, you're just going to add it onto that one. So now you should have this, right here. It has all 4 of them on this one piece. And then, like we did in the last video, you're going to attach this to there. So right there. So like this. If you were wondering what I was doing, I was just stretching it out more because this was not even. So now you're going to make the head of the axe. So here's the pieces you will need. You will need 2 of these yellow rods, 3 of these pieces, 3 of these kinds of pieces, 2 of these pieces, 5 of these white rods, which are just a bit bigger than these ones, 2 of these pieces that look like this, don't have to be the same color, and 6 of these green rods, the small size, 4 of these circle pieces, 1 of these blue rods, and 1 of these red rods. So first we're going to be making the blade. So you're going to get these pieces, right here. And then you're going to attach this to here, and this, wait, no. You get this, you put it through, and then you attach this to that purple piece, and then you push this piece on. Okay, like that. And then we're going to push that aside, and we're going to make the other piece of this. So we're going to need all of these pieces right here. And first you're going to make this piece like this. And then you're going to get this piece on here, and this piece over here. And you're going to attach both of these white pieces on here. like that. And then you're going to get this piece, put it on here, and then slide it, and then get these two pieces, and you're going to attach them right there, and right there. So now you should have this. And then you're going to get this piece, pull this off so that it's open. And you get this, and you see that little hole right there? You're going to slide. Sorry, this is so you're going to slide it through there. And then you're going to attach it again. Just like that. And then you're going to get these two rods, put them on both of the sides. Now it should look like this, and then you're going to spin it, and then you should click it, and then that should happen. And then you get this, and you connect it, and then you get this, and you connect it on the other side, like that. And then you get these pieces, and you put them on right there.